Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Pakistani Snacks. In this video I am going to open this potato sticks pack for steel, and as you can see in the back side of the pack there are some ingredients. You will love to watch the video. On the back side of the pack, as you can see, there are three more chips. Now I am going to open the pack. See how many inside. Okay, let's put in the plate and see. As you can see, there are little potato sticks. Let's try some, then we can check so it is good or not. And it's very good. You can definitely try this out. Have a clear look. It is halal. Subscribe to my channel.